ke Ischentia, teman Kobi, ke Dek, ke Tarik, mango ke history ini. Ekublea, yang Honorable Chief Minister Yogi, Shri Sir Conrad K. Sama. So we thank you so much for being here, for taking up time and efforts to make our day a big day and a successful day ahead and for the years to come. Ekublea, yang Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Yogi, Shri Siabalan Dhar, Kublai Chibolsa, Pelak di Poran P, Padaran P, One Teacher in the program P, in Cindy, Hadogan. Ekublea, Ya Usar, Kamati, Campus Secretary, Mining and Geology, working officers, Yogi, Crash Company, Uman Legacy, Crow, Hadogan. Ekublea, Ya Deputy Commissioner Yogi, sir, thank you so much for being here. Ekublea, Ya USP Yogi, thank you, sir, for taking out time and being with us. I also like to thank the embassies, One Legacy, the ex-MLA, the ex-MLC Borok, the new Fakultas Borok, Uchin Bipor, the Ekublea, the Miners Association, Wada Pelak Bipor, Bermaga PDD, Boroi, Siokmen, dan kata-kata, Wah Katu Cukmat, Populai dari mining ini, kemudian ini Cukmat. The Ekublea, the Giant Cement Association, thank you so much for coming. Your valuable time is very precious. Thank you for being with us. The Ekublea di Kampung, di Paiba, Borok, di Manbei, di Manpa, di Samla, Bukan Jingai, Najan, Aburok, Majan Hills, ke Ijen Hills Kampung, di Bukan Jingai, Nasional, Kalimantan, di Australia. Ekublea di Borok, di Borok, di Prajan, di Cipun, di mana di Cipi dan Sing. Siapa yang melakukan sini? Mana kamera kalau mana masuk dulu terhadap TV, ketua umum industri, kami Indonesia ini dalam ini mereka, lagi untuk duyong mining atau duyong menghi, ini mining to manro borok ini borok, dibuat duyong kata. Kau bersiap ini, doa masyarakat so, marsan nak kami ini, kau siapa ini, bunyi li, kita cakap sini sesuatu Indonesia channels, cakap ini, nama kita ini kami, bunyi mon dong, nagas kawan nasional sejian. Dong diberi, wan isi, sini wan punya besar respon. Kecilnya, toh lain por sama por. Lagu Kristen kata, siapa sakit tak wani borok. Tekannya sini, kecilnya ini besar ini. Ila, memang dia orang ini, nama kata mereka. Jadi orang scientific mining, lalu kita kelihatan, suatu kali kelihatan, kalau do whatever minister ini dia beli, kalau ini adalah untuk ini, dia tahu, yo isolate Nancy, dengan orang ini, ini Bapak Presiden ini sumut imainnya suriyo ini namentayong pi meskipun ibru ini kiri kiriya iyo pi kamu shwa apply the guidance yang sertani di daw habis itu ibadah untuk orang yang ikan ini Tuhan ikan guidance supaya mulai dari tinggi Tuhan lebih sukses. Orang ini orang unity system nanti yang tinggi dan kami ini mulai baik dan tinggi bersemangat. So we thank you so much for the approval of the mining license to the 4 miners of the state. Would have not been the result of today had it not been for constant action from the government of Meghalaya, led by our dynamic Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sharma. I would like to thank you, sir, for your sincere efforts and support on this matter. It is a concern for us with the central government that we are here today. Our CMS since 2018 has taken top priority for this resumption of legal and scientific mining in our state, and today its concentration has borne the fruit of success. In spite of the non-stop allegation and criticism, our CM has worked hard, tirelessly, and the result is today, my dear friends. Not to forget, I should also thank all the officers. They have also taken each and every part of this mining list, especially the Mining and Geology Department, for all their sincere efforts and support on this matter. The government has taught us many lessons. Community kamyong kanai para kita dikibunjan. Dan mencoba joong inong inutukin tuban. Dan menurut kamyong terdiri Yusuf kata bisa niru hubung kata bisa yung program kami dalam step. Yusuf kemudian ada kata wah kecintikan kami itu menjadi borok kami mungkin bilang. Kau ini kemudian kau ini wah persiapan yang bisa cesen. Kali ini yang mana lang yang ubah kawasan dulu untuk kamainin yang ini, kamainin yang ini. Bukan ini. Bukan cuma ini. Yang masuk dari dekat cuma. Once again, sir, I congratulate all the miners who have got the mining license from the government, and also to request them to see that the work is being carried out the scientific way and as per the guidelines of the government. I hope that other people will also get the mining list, and I am assured that all possible cooperation will be afforded from my side. Once again, sir, before I conclude, I would like to again thank our Honorable Chief Minister for his efforts on this matter, and to all government officials who have put their tireless efforts for the realization of this day. Who bless you all, Shri Jarmo.